How to reset Samsung One Connect box. Step 1. Turn off the TV. Power off the TV completely using the remote or button. Step 2. Unplug the One Connect box. Disconnect the power cable, One Connect cable, and HDMI devices. Wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. Samsung support and troubleshooting guides recommend unplugging both the TV and One Connect box during reset attempts. Step 3. Reconnect everything. Reconnect the One Connect cable, the power cable, and the HDMI devices. Make sure the One Connect cable is firmly seated on both ends. Step 4. Turn the TV back on. If successful, the Samsung logo appears, signal returns, and HDMI devices work again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.